The Garmin Forerunner 975 is poised to be a significant advancement in the realm of multi-sport smartwatches, building upon the strengths of its predecessor, the Forerunner 965. With anticipated enhancements in display technology, health monitoring, and connectivity, the Forerunner 975 aims to cater to both professional athletes and fitness enthusiasts. 3 o'clock anticipated release date and pricing. Based on industry patterns and recent reports, the Garmin Forerunner 975 is expected to launch between March and June 2025. Pricing is projected to be in the vicinity of $600 to $650, aligning with the launch price of the Forerunner 965. Desktop computer display and design innovations. AMOLED display enhancements. The Forerunner 975 is anticipated to feature an improved AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and sharper visuals. This enhancement will facilitate easier viewing of stats and notifications, even under direct sunlight. Durable and lightweight build. Maintaining Garmin's reputation for ruggedness, the Forerunner 975 is expected to have a durable design suitable for various environmental conditions. Despite its robustness, the watch aims to remain lightweight, ensuring comfort during extended wear. Man-running advanced fitness and health tracking. ECG functionality. A significant addition to the Forerunner 975 is the expected inclusion of ECG capabilities. This feature will allow users to monitor their heart health more precisely, providing valuable data for cardiovascular fitness. Enhanced GPS and multisport tracking. The watch is likely to come equipped with advanced GPS accuracy and additional fitness tracking features, including metrics for running, cycling, swimming, and other activities. This will enable athletes to monitor their performance across various sports disciplines effectively. Battery life and charging capabilities. The Forerunner 975 is expected to offer impressive battery life, catering to long-distance runners and athletes who require reliable performance over extended periods. Additionally, there are rumors of solar charging capabilities, which could further extend the watch's battery life, making it more suitable for outdoor adventures. Satellite antenna connectivity and smart features. LTE connectivity. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Forerunner 975 is the possibility of LTE connectivity. This feature would allow users to access functionalities such as live tracking, messaging, and emergency assistance without relying on a paired smartphone. Standard connectivity options. Like its predecessor, the Forerunner 975 is expected to offer standard connectivity options, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and ANI+. Enhanced Bluetooth performance could provide better synchronization with smartphones and other compatible devices. Brain software and user interface. The Forerunner 975 is anticipated to feature an improved user interface, possibly adopting the latest interface first introduced on the Fenix 8 series. This UI enhancement aims to provide a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. Checkered flag conclusion. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be a compelling choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking a high-performance smartwatch. With its expected feature set, including an AMOLED display, ECG functionality, robust fitness tracking, and potential LTE connectivity, it promises to meet the demands of serious athletes and casual users alike. As we approach its anticipated release, the Forerunner 975 is poised to set a new standard in the multi-sport smartwatch market.